Back to the barber chop shop. We are gonna drill a big fat hole in this. I'm so scared. Let's get in here, give you a peek. Okay, there's a foam right there. There's the back of the fish hatch. I'm scared. I'm just procrastinating getting drilling here because this is just a little crazy. You don't want to be too close to this hole because that will create less structure. Yeah, so we want it back a bit. We want it back a bit. Now I'm scared. I'm gonna drill a pilot and then I'm gonna go backwards with this bit to break the gel coat, and then I'm just gonna keep going through, and then I'm gonna drill holes all the way on the inside and then use my Dremel to knock them out, right? Is that how you do it? After I tape this off. Yikes. Okay, I had to put on the mask because I didn't like smelling that stuff. Okay, everything is gonna be on reverse drill. Face mask on, because safety is #1 priority. Okay, boom, here we go. Okay, so you get the idea. I'm gonna clean this up real nice. We don't want too much of this dust around, do we? Calm down. Look, don't be a madman. Do not be a madman. Be nice. Don't get too tricky here. You need a smooth hand. And wow, look at this. I don't know if I can just flip this around, but look at that. I just missed my rudder line, and that was a blessing to be protected, and thank you, Lord. Okay, there's the new hole. Just missing my rudder cable, and I am just so grateful. We're almost home. We're almost home. Ugh. Look at that. Is that puppy down? Is that puppy down? Hope there's nothing, no surprises. I don't want any surprises. This hole's crazy, right? I think I did it right though. Don't start peeling off too much of your kayak. Ooh, that fits nice. Right? Come on now. Why don't you get me excited? Is that the one? Is that the one? Ooh, it doesn't even... I think I like it. Yes, it's so smooth. Now I gotta make sure I don't cut into this rudder line. Oh, that would be a nightmare. That would be such a nightmare. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm scared. I'm scared again. Yes, I am. Okay, here we go. Let's drill some holes for the mounting. Man, I got all this cocaine all over my kayak. Nope. No cocaine here. No, sir. I like those two. I'm scared of this one. This one here makes me nervous because of that rudder cable. This one's fine. Big old bag of bolts. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Here we go. Yes, it survived. It did survive. Now, where's that bolt, yo? Help me. Ah. Don't get excited. I feel it. Uh-oh, this is gonna be good. Yup, that's gonna go right up there and cinch down like a hero. That was a close call, but it worked. Thank you. Glue it and screw it. Okay, here comes the goop, yo. Hope I can get this up if I need to. It's all the way around. I'm not gonna do a ton of it, am I? Should I put some on the body as well? What the heck? Is this over gooping, guys? Goop is good food. Goop is good food. Okay. I'm not gonna worry about it. That's plenty of goop. Okay? Dang, that's plenty of goop. Look at those little webs of goop. Okay? Now, let's place this thing well. Just like the doctor ordered. I'm gonna go with the lock this way. Don't be tripping right over the holes, yo. Nice. You know what? I'm gonna trust that. I'm just gonna trust that puppy. And I wanna get my first bolt in here. Because this is the side that freaks me out. Righty tighty. Lefty loosey, is that right? What's going on? Are you slipping on me? I gotta look. Show me the money. You good? I don't know. Are you? Oh, you are. You're tightening. Just calm the heck down. I'm getting gooped. Hand tighten. We are hand tighteners. Oh, go in. I think you're making me happy, but you're not super. Go ahead, just cinch down, be nice. Not too tight. Not too tight, buddy. Just like that. Ooh, you make me happy. Get in there. Where are you? There you are. Ooh, you're kind of crooked. Don't forget to drill straight holes in fiberglass because things get wonky. Yes, they do. Hopefully that's not a wonky, super wonky. Now, washers and nylon nuts. Don't freak and over tighten. There's no over tightening allowed. Us. Yeah, buddy, that's strong. That's strong. This is getting weirdly nice. Let's go like this. Is that right? Close. Ooh, isn't that nice? Open. This puppy's sealed, yo. Closed cell foam apparently doesn't leak. So I can just build a frame. That was a terrible cut. Oh, that was a terrible cut. I'm so bummed. I'm over it. Yep, I'm over it. I just wanted a nice piece of scrap, and I didn't get that. Now I'm cutting you off. You I can cut out. Okay, boom, block. Build a box. I think that's gonna hold it. Frame it out. Where's my maca? Apparently the water that you squirt in here is the glue that causes no bubbles for a perfect reading, less temperature. Closed cell foam. This stuff's not cheap. Nope. It's expensive, man. I think this block was 25 bucks. Maybe. Maybe. You guys remember when I threw out all the foam inside my Jackson Kraken? Dang, because I thought it was taking up space. Oh! I had to get a special delivery from Jackson of all the interior foam that I had discarded. And I'm probably on some kook blacklist. Like, that's the dude. He threw out the foam. Oh well. I hope it's a perfect fit. This is a little bit taller so that the well can have water in it. If I tip a little bit, it will still stay in the useful amount of water. I don't want to put too much because I don't want to sink the kayak with water in the hull. You know what I'm talking about. Don't want to sink the kayak. Don't cut yourself. Ooh, that could have been a little bit of a hand webbing jab. You know what I'm saying? Man, maybe I should be using gloves just in case I get a hand webbing jab. Ooh, we're gonna give it a little love. Ooh, this is like carving a pumpkin, I think. I don't know why that thought came into my head. Stinking Halloween. All the kids are maniacal. They all want to be Venom. Or, well, Mario's on the scene. Mario is on the scene. And is Halloween about candy? I think it's a candy day. You know what I want, man? I like that banana Laffy Taffy. Don't you guys? Isn't that your favorite candy ever? I hate that stuff. Banana flavored Laffy Taffy? Come on now, that should not be invented. All right, I'm taking a break. What is this stupid thing? Making China? Okay, we'll figure it out. Yep. Oh, you playing games with me now? This is where I should be wearing gloves, yo. I'm gonna go through, boom. Come on now, show me where, oh, that's the one. Yeehaw. I'm sawing. I'm gonna saw this foam pumpkin that's not orange. It's all about the fishies. I wanna see that bait. I don't wanna have any drag. And I don't want life to be a drag. That's why we fish. So life is not a drag. But life isn't a drag anyways. Especially if you have a dragster. Oh, look at that. That's so pumpkin-like. Come on, punch that nose out. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Don't make me fine tune it. Let's see now. Us. I see you. I see you. All right, still want it to be pretty, so I'm cutting off this funny looking lip of miscut. Yeah, buddy, look at that. That's clean. Look, watch. Okay, you paying attention? Ooh, is that nice? Is this the top? This is the bottom. Oh, that's kind of perfect. You're gonna fit in there, aren't you? Wish it was a little tighter, but I'm not gonna worry about it. Now I'm gonna glue this thing down into the hatch. Yes, I am. One thing I wanted to do is change out this bolt. I'm gonna put a bolt on here. I'm gonna take out some of that foam and get to the bottom of this foam because I don't like, this is not cinching. So I like things secure. This screw just kind of keeps turning. Let's change that out. Okay, good. It's a little wonky. This side is more flat. That's all I'm saying about that. So the reason I'm just putting it on the perimeter is because I do not want to glue this transducer down for whatever purposes I'm learning. I want to be able to remove it if I want to change the transducer. So I just want to make a waterproof seal all up in here. All right, I got a stick to drag this stuff away from the inside because I really don't want to wipe too much out. I just want to seal. Look at that, I hope this works. Going in. First things first. This is going like this. Is this the right side? Flat? Is that the flat side? Yep. And then I'm going to make sure that it's the proper direction, which is like this. Get in there. Get in there. Okay, now I don't want it to touch the bottom yet. Let's see what I can do. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm going back down into the ballast, man. Ballast kayak. Okay. Can you see anything? She's glued. Forget about it. Forget about it. Well, alcohol cleaned that right up, so we're just gonna go from there. Yep. Time to run this wire. So this is going in here. Yes, it is. Don't get weird, just do it. Hey, hey, hey. Where am I going here? Come on now, don't get weird. How far? I better be able to get this out of there. Let's take a look. Maybe we found it. It's gonna be harder than it looks. There you are. Ooh, you saw it come through on the camera. So I'm just gonna take that through. And call it. Okay, so you're going right here. Like that. All the way down. That makes me happy. You, let's see, where you want to tuck? You want to tuck up in here? I think you want to tuck right here. I know where you want to tuck. Tucker. Mother Tucker. I think you want to tuck right there. Wouldn't that be nice? And firm. Tuck. Look at the tucking. That's Tucky. That's Happy Tucky. Happy Go Tucky. That's kind of loose, man. Is that okay? Is it? We gonna find out. I'm happy. You see it. Boom. Is that the way? I don't know. All right. This is all the fuss. Hatch comes off. Boom. Who's in there? Who's in there? Yes. Can you see it? That's my happy place. Hopefully, yep, there's no leaks. It leaked at first, so I gooped that front corner there, and now I'm happy. Let's just call it. This comes out the hatch. It's coiled up in there. It'll be of a conduit running up, and boom. Shut her down, and